What if we came here not to escape, but to reclaim our connection with all of this, to check out again the superpowers of the natural world, and remember that they're ours too. Whether we're talking about elephants or public schools, tide pools or memory and dreams, we're talking about ecologies. Natural ecologies and social ecologies are with us everywhere, and they function, when they're functioning well, they function in very similar ways.
Where Mary and I live in Yellowstone National Park area, I can guarantee you right now, in that national park, flying above the landscape is some raven leading one of the 8 wolf packs to a carcass, a winter-killed carcass. The raven wants to dine on that carcass, but she can't open up the hide with her beak. It's not sharp enough. So she takes the wolves to the carcass, the wolves open it up, feed, and then she gets to feed as well. So this world is an absolute feast of connections.